Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how to verify email on Reddit. So then to begin with, check your internet connection and then make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Now open up or log in into your Reddit account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and once you're on this page, click on the try bar icon in the upper left corner. Once you're on this page, click on the profile icon located in the upper right. Scroll down and then click on settings, which is right at the bottom. Once you're on this page, go to account settings, that is right on top, and then tap on it. Right over here, you'll be able to see all of your information. As you can see that verification pending. In order to verify my email address, what you need to do is you need to tap on it, click on reset verification email if you have not received any verification email. In my case, I've already received a verification email. All you need to do is open up your Gmail and then check for the verification link. There is the verification link, so click on this link over here and select whether you want to open it in your Chrome browser or maybe whatever. So right over here, you'll need to input the original email address, which means that your previous email address, and then a password as well. And you also need to create a new password, as well as you need to verify your password by confirming it by tapping on twice. Now quickly enter in all of these information. Once done, click on a submit button, which is right at the bottom. So as you can see that the password has been changed. Now open up your Reddit account once again. Now log in into your Reddit application and then go to your profile and then click on the login button and log in into your account. Now the email address has been updated as well as verified. So that is how you can verify your email address on Reddit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.